So you're going to find a bench that you could jump to so you don't get hurt. You could get a step machine or a high bench, low bench. Each bench is different in height. He could do this one. So put 1 foot on each side of the bench. You're going to put your hands here. It's like a jump squat. So you can go to the jump squat tutorial if you want to learn how to do those. But you just incorporate it with this. So you're going to do chest up, stick out your butt, tap it on the bench, and then you come up with both feet and jump right on the bench. And then with one leg at a time, you go back down. Watch this. Go ahead, squat, tap. Now jump hard, up, land. Now 1 foot at a time. You go back down and reset yourself. I don't want you jumping back down because it's going to put pressure on your knees. I want to keep you away from injury. So go ahead and come down. Bam, shoot up, jump. Beautiful. Let him do 2 more for us so you guys can see how it's done.